We're currently at the Puyallup Fair looking for food. Pretty hungry. There's the corn shack. It's just me and Peter so far. Our big group isn't here yet. Taking hella long.
Oh, little kids.
It's little kids. It's taking forever. But yeah, looking for food. See what we got here.
Oh my goodness.
We got the earthquake burger.
So big.
Put your hand.
Look at
that big.
So fat.
That's crazy. Curly fries. It's gonna be good. I went on that ride once. It really just made me want to pee for some reason. It hurt my balls. I don't know why. It's just one of those rides. It wasn't even scary. It just kind of hurt my balls. The testicles. But yeah, everyone here is either high or drunk. A girl just walked past by me. She was like, oh my god, where the fuck can I get a cigarette? It's so irritating. So irritating.
I'm so scared, man.
Oh my god!
I hope that camera doesn't fall. Oh my god, that was...
What do you mean? Since you're running out of time, what do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Oh, don't be so shy. You're on YouTube and everything.
Barusan ada yang ngajak foto gue loh.
What?
Ada yang ngajak gue foto, katanya ngefans sama gue. Anak
So
baru.
gross.
Kata anak baru TLC.
Just wait till I go inside with this. They're like, oh, you're the YouTuber, right? Yes, I am.
Kok nggak ada yang minta foto sama lo?
I don't know. I'm just not famous amongst the young people. You're more famous than I am, Pina. You're like Instagram famous, you know. YouTube famous is not famous anymore. It's more Instagram now, you know. So I'm gonna get so many more subscribers now that you're in it, you know.
I should be in it too, man.
Oh yeah, and it's Bernard too. Oh yeah, ooh, that could be the thumbnail. You grabbing her from the back. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. One more time. It's what shit. All the girls are gonna be like this. It ain't no holler back.
This one.
There ain't no holler
Back girl. Ain't no.
Few times been around that track.
We live in an apartment, yo. Don't be sad.
I know, like
We're having a party in the
elevator. For those who are watching my vlogs right now, I thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I do enjoy making these vlogs, and hopefully there'll be more and more people watching these, just because this is my dream. At least one of my dreams is to make a living out of entertaining people, and I do really enjoy it. And hopefully someday, if I work hard enough, that I will be able to make a living off of either like YouTube or hopefully being in movies. You never know, right? Or maybe stand up. I don't know, something like that. Just anything that I would love to do for every single day. When I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna be like, yes, I'm so happy I'm doing this, and that's the feeling that I want to feel every day. Yeah, for now, good night guys. See you soon.